Hi there, welcome to my channel. In case you don't know who I am, my name is Alina. I'm a makeup artist from Canada, and today I wanted to share with you guys what I use for hair care and what my hair care routine is like, because I get so many questions regarding the products that I use, how I use them. So I decided I'm just going to film this video and share with all of you guys. So first of all, if you do not know this already, I've been using Monat hair care products for over 20 months now. So this is what I am using exclusively and consistently. I have been playing with the products, and I have kind of found my current routine that I'm using right now. But heads up, before that, my routine was mostly black shampoo, which comes in our men's line, but I really like it. It has this minty, nice, tingly kind of feeling to it. So I still sometimes steal it from my husband who uses it. So that was my first shampoo. Second shampoo, I would use Renew shampoo, which is the most hydrating one. Although it is one of the most hydrating shampoos, it would not weigh my hair down for some weird reason, because I don't know, I have really fine limp hair, but that shampoo was really perfect for me. When I had my hair kind of toned to more platinum, I would I would mix the platinum shampoo with the Renew shampoo. Kind of mix them together and just apply in my head, leave them on for a couple of minutes, and then rinse. Then I would apply the platinum conditioner and then the smoothing deep conditioner on top and leave it on for a couple of minutes as well, and then rinse. So my routine has been kind of like transition from one thing to another thing. So right now I'm just going to show you the products that I'm using right now currently and that are my favorites for right now. So first of all, I want to say that about a couple months ago, my hair got really bleached and pretty damaged. So that is when I also got lucky when the company rolled out the Restructuring collection, and it's been a lifesaver and a life changer for me, because that's what I've been using to bring my hair back to life. So when I got my hair bleached and really damaged, and I got the Restructuring collection, and I'm going to show you what it looks like in a moment. I used it every single time I would shampoo my hair for about a month until my hair got back to normal. So what that line does, it basically reverses 10 signs of damage, such as like brittle hair, split ends, lack of shine, lack of elasticity. So it's going to basically take that damaged hair and bring it back to almost its natural state. So that's what was happening to me. So basically right now I transitioned to using these products about every 3 washes as my spa treatment day. And I will show you exactly what I do on my spa treatment day when I really wanted to pamper myself with shampoo and conditioner and everything. And I'll show you this Restructuring collection. So first of all, what I do, I use this pre-wash conditioner, and it's the Restructuring pre-wash conditioner. So how to use it, I would just apply it before shampooing my hair. That's before shampooing my hair. I would apply a little bit through mid-shaft to down to ends and leave it on for about 2 minutes to work its magic. So what it does, it basically coats hair and protects hair while shampooing. So when you think about healthy hair, the strands, when they're wet, they can stretch and go back to normal. What happens with dry, brittle hair or damaged hair, chemically processed hair, bleached hair, it stretches and breaks. So with this conditioner, it's going to really help prevent that breakage and increase that elasticity. So I would apply this, use it, leave it on for about 2-3 minutes, and then rinse it off. And then I would go ahead with the Restructuring shampoo, my favorite, and shampoo twice with this. How this shampoo is a little bit different from anything else out there. It's a creamy shampoo. It's very gentle shampoo. It's going to get your hair super clean, don't get me wrong, but it is very gentle. It's not going to foam as much because it's creamy shampoo. It's very different, but still you need just a little bit, tiny bit. All like Monat products, I find they're super concentrated. Whereas with before I would use liter bottles, I would go through a liter bottle of salon shampoo in about 2 months. This little bottle lasts me 4 months. So they are multitaskers and they really do perform. So I would shampoo twice. Yes, you always need to shampoo twice with Monat products. If you're currently using Monat products or thinking about starting using Monat products, I have a video talking specifically about how to wash your hair and how to use Monat products. So you can check that out as well. So basically leave this on. Use it twice, wash your head twice, and then I would apply the Restructuring this hair transformation mask, and it's still in the box because it's a brand new one. I've run out of my other one, so I'm going to pamper myself soon. So yes, this mask is going to actually go deep and repair and hydrate and bring that moisture and nourishment into your hair. So I normally just leave it on for 5 to 10 minutes. Realistically, probably 5, because I very rarely have 10 minutes in the shower. Especially in the morning with 3 kids, not happening. So about 5 minutes for myself. But if your hair is super, super damaged, you can, leave it on for 10 minutes, especially if you're shampooing at night. You could totally leave it on for about 10 minutes and then rinse it off. So you don't need to use a conditioner after this mask. And then I would towel dry my hair as usual, and I will show you, this is what I'm going to use next normally. This is Rejuva Split End Mender. So what it does is basically seals split ends, because it does have those little micro beads with encapsulated rejuvenic oil in them. So they basically attach themselves to split ends and just basically magnetically charged particles just pull them together. The science behind the products is really phenomenal. Like if you're into science type of things, oh god, go check them out. They are absolutely amazing. They have a whole scientific board that formulate these products, and they really do work. So I normally just put this on for about a minute because it needs about 60 seconds on wet hair to use, to actually work. So apply this on towel dried hair for about a minute and let it just sit there for a minute. Don't do anything to your hair. You can, apply the body lotion or something in the meantime. And then after about a minute, once this has worked its magic, I apply the Restructuring Serum. And this serum is a little bit different. You can use it every single day, even on dry hair. So I actually use it on dry hair every single day. And it has 2 little vials in them. So 1 cream and 1 gel. And you just have to, and the pump has 2 little holes in there. So you would pump and you would mix them together and just apply into your hair, leave it for about a minute or so, and you can style as usual. Then I normally just use the blowout cream. I'll show you the blowout cream. And this is our heat protectant. And actually I forgot. This is what I used before. I know it's a lot of steps, right? But healthy hair deserves some steps. So this has been my favorite product lately. Before I would use the Restore Leave-In Conditioner. So I kind of go alternate between Restore Leave-In Conditioner or the CC Cream. This is not available for purchase. This was the free gift that Monat sent me. And it's also a free gift for VIP customers and just market partners. So this is basically like multivitamin for your hair. It's almost like, CC Cream for your face, CC Cream for your hair as well. It's basically called a leave-in hair perfector, and this is what it does. It just basically brings that nourishment and hydration throughout the day. I really like it. So I would use this, and then the blowout cream, just about a pea size amount, like a little drop, and run through my hair. And then I can, I normally honestly just let it air dry and then curl it, because less heat means less damage. And if you already have bleached blonde hair, the less heat you put on your hair, the better, trust me. So this is kind of like my spa day when I use the Restructuring collection. But on the normal days, I use a little bit of a different combo. So I normally do overnight scalp treatments with rejuvenating oil. So I would start with this little oil, and it comes with a little dropper as well. So I'll show you the dropper. Dispenses the drops. You just literally need a few drops. You see me prepping my skin with this. You're in the makeup videos all the time. This has been a miracle worker for me. It has changed my dry, itchy scalp. Just basically, I use it in my kids too. I use it in my son's eczema when he has flare-ups and all of, like, it's such a multitasker. So basically, I just take a few drops of this oil, run it with my fingers, and massage it onto my scalp and go to bed. What happens is basically my skin sucks it right in, because this blend of organic oils mimics the sebum, so the oils that our scalp and our skin naturally produces. And as we get older, our skin does not produce as much sebum anymore. That's why we notice that our skin is getting drier and drier and drier by the day. So this is going to basically replenish all of that. So the body thinks it's its own oils, and it just sucks it right in. So there's nothing, like no residue sitting on your scalp. It doesn't feel greasy. You can go to bed. There will be nothing on your pillow. So this is what I do, and religiously for like over a year now, over 20 months now, because this is what saved me from my dry, itchy scalp. And I do live in Saskatchewan, and the air is super, super dry. So this is a miracle worker. I go to bed, and then in the morning, I normally just shampoo. So the first one, I would do the black. I don't have it here because it's in my shower. Sorry, I forgot to bring it. So I would shampoo my hair one time with the black shampoo. Black tea, it's called 2-in-1. It's like a shampoo and conditioner. I like it because it just stimulates the hair growth. It stimulates the hair follicles. And it just has that minty, nice, tingly, I don't know, smell to it, and it's just really nice. Then I would go in with the Active Hydration line. This has been the newest, also one of the newer lines that I've been really, really loving lately. And I guess the shampoos all look the same. They're color coded. So this one says advanced hydrating shampoo, as you can tell. So I shampoo with this once because I already shampooed with a black one time. And what it does, it basically is great for thirsty, water deprived hair. And if you're noticing that your hair is lacking volume lately, it's not shiny anymore, it's just not happy, doesn't hold style anymore, this is one of the signs that it's dehydrated. And there's a difference between moisture and hydration. So moisture would be oils, hydration is water. So this line has hyaluronic acid in it, and hyaluronic acid is able to hold up to 1,000 like one molecule of hyaluronic acid is able to hold about up to 1,000 molecules of water. So what I'm sorry, I'm losing my voice. So what this stuff will do, will basically keep bringing hydration throughout the day to your hair. So your hair is not going to be dry and thirsty anymore. And then I normally apply the Active, like, Heavenly Hydration Mask. I have it somewhere here. The masks all look pretty much the same. So then I go in with the Heavenly Hydrating Mask, leave it on for about 5 minutes, rinse really well, and go in with the Active Hydration Conditioner. So with Monat, I know it's a little bit different. We're used to using, conditioner first and then the treatment mask. With Monat, you use the mask, then the conditioner, because what happens to your hair? Your hair is basically has 3 layers. And the third layer of hair is like shingles. So those shingles, once we put the mask on, they kind of like the mask would open those pores, open those shingles, and bring back those, like the hydration or moisture or whatever that mask does, or proteins. And then we need that conditioner to smooth it all down, to close those shingles, to close those cuticles. Because if we don't use a conditioner after the mask, if those shingles are still open, especially if your hair is bleached blonde and your hair is porous, your hair is going to tangle like crazy. So you don't want tangly hair. You don't want this. So you need a conditioner. So I use the Active Hydration Conditioner after the mask. Just leave it on maybe for a minute or so, maybe even less, probably 30 seconds, and just rinse it all out really nicely. So after the conditioner, I use the Active Hydration Serum, and it looks like this. It comes with little vials like this, and the key is you need to really, really shake it so it becomes blurry, and I just spray it on. You can't really use it on dry hair because it, you know, it needs water. It has hyaluronic acid in it, so it's kind of like water activated. So what I normally do right after the shower, I just spray this stuff on and leave on for about, I don't know, 2 minutes, 1 minute or so. And then I go in with Rejuva beads, like I said, and the CC cream and the blowout cream. Another product I wanted to show you that I use on a daily basis, and it's religiously every single day, morning and night. It is the Intense Repair Treatment Spray. So what this spray does, it is basically like weed and feed for your scalp. It is a spray, so I just spray it on my scalp, especially concentrating on the areas where you maybe, you know, experiencing some hair loss. So for me, I was losing my hair over here, and you know, it's all come back. So I would concentrate on, you know, on those areas and just massage it in really, really well. And yeah, it just absorbs right in. Like, it doesn't smell like anything. It does not have much texture. It's just like basically like water. It just goes right into your scalp. And you need to use this every single morning and night. So this is what I use every single morning, every single night, if I remember. But most days I'm very diligent with this. It's going to just anchor whatever you already have existing on your head. Is going to anchor those hair follicles, and this and also promote new healthy hair growth. So this is what I've been using religiously every single day, morning and night. So this is it basically. This is what my hair care routine is on, you know, every single time when I shampoo my hair. So like I said, I do the spa treatment days with the Restructuring collection about every 3 to 4 washes, and then I use the Advanced Hydration collection with the black shampoo about probably every single day. But what I also do is sometimes I alternate the masks as well, because we do have the other 2 masks, and I just have them all. So I just use them all, and they all do different things. So I'll show you 2 different masks that I sometimes alternate with the Heavenly Hydration mask. I do not always use the Heavenly Hydration mask every single time. Sometimes I use the Super Moisture mask, and they all look the same, but they smell differently, and they have a little bit of different texture. So this one is more of like it's like flowery smell, and it is like lotion, almost like lotion-like consistency. So what this does, this brings oils into your hair. So it's called Super Moisture Mask. It brings back those essential oils that our hair needs. And then I also use sometimes the Replenish mask. The same thing, looks like this. The texture is a little bit different though. It's a bit thicker than the Super Moisture mask. And this mask is also great for hair that is dry, and it's more I would say it's more like a protein treatment, but not in a way, because we do not have animal protein. We do have like plant-based stuff in our products, but honestly, they all do different things, but they all make my hair look and feel amazing. So this is what I do. This is what my hair care routine is like. Hopefully you found this video somewhat useful. Hopefully you enjoyed it, and if you did, please give me some likes and leave me some comments, whatever your hair care routine is like. And if you're already using Monat products, what are the ones that you're loving currently, and how you're using them. I would really like to know that. And if you have any questions to me at all, feel free to contact me. I always leave my email in the comments in the description bar. And yeah, thanks so much for watching, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.